Two men. Same country. Same dream. One earns $800 a month, one earns $5,000 a month. At age 65, one of them has $530,000. The other has $340,000. The one with more money is the one who earned less. How is that possible? There is a force working inside money that most people never discover, and by the time they do, it is already too late. Stay with me. Welcome to Business Shortcuts. Meet Connor. 25 years old. No big salary, no family money, no connections. He makes around $900 a month doing freelance work online. But Connor has one rule he never breaks. Every single month, before rent, before groceries, before anything, $200 goes into an index fund. Not when the market looks good. Not when he feels financially ready. Every month. Without exception. His friends call him boring. They are spending everything. Living for now. Connor just smiles. Because Connor has seen the numbers. And the numbers changed him. At 10% average annual return, $200 a month starting at 25, by age 65 over $530,000. Total money Connor actually put in, $96,000. The rest, $434,000, was built by time, not by Connor, by compound interest running silently in the background, every year, every month, every single day. Now meet his older brother, Nathan, 40 years old, senior manager, earns $5,000 a month. His 20s and 30s were about living well, nice apartment, new car, vacations, comfort. Investing always felt like something for later. At 40, Nathan finally gets serious, starts putting $1,000 a month into the same type of fund Connor uses. 5 times more money, every month, more income, more discipline, more urgency. But at 65, Nathan has $340,000. Connor has $530,000. Nathan invested over $300,000 of his own money. Connor invested less than $100,000. And Connor still walks away with nearly $200,000 more. This is not luck. This is not talent. This is compound interest. And the one ingredient it cannot work without. Time. Here is what most people never understand. Compound interest does not grow in a straight line. It grows exponentially. Year 1, almost invisible. Year 10, interesting. Year 20, impressive. Year 35, almost unbelievable. But it only works if you give it time. And every year you delay is not just 1 year lost. It is all the compounding that year would have created, gone forever. Waiting from 25 to 35 does not cost you 10 years of savings. It could cost you $200,000 in future wealth. That is freedom. That is choices. That is years of your life, handed back to you or taken away. Nathan is not broken. He is building. He is doing better than millions of people who never start at all. But Nathan carries one quiet question now. Not why didn't I earn more? Not why didn't I work harder? Just, why did nobody tell me this at 22? Connor did not have better luck than Nathan. He did not have more talent. He did not have a higher salary. He just had one thing Nathan didn't. He started. Early. Quietly. Without waiting for the right moment. Because in the world of compound interest, the right moment is always right now. You do not need a big income to build real wealth. You need a decision. And you need to make it today. Not next month. Not after the next raise. Today. Because time does not wait. And neither should you. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe to Business Shortcuts. This is where real wealth begins.